RS यूनानी फार्मेसी, गुर्दे, पित्ते में पथरी, दोबारा पथरी ना होने का किया जाता है मुकम्मल इलाज। फैटी लीवर मेडिसिन भी दस्तियाब। बहादुरपुरा एक्स रोड 9390610436 पर कांटेक्ट करें।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, 7H न्यूज सच को रखे आपके आगे। सन सिटी के इलाके PNT कॉलोनी में मौलाना जमाल उल रहमान साहब के हाथों सक्सेस द स्कूल के 6 ब्रांच का यानी कि 6वें ब्रांच का इफ्तिताह अमल में आया है। इस मौके पर सक्सेस स्कूल के चेयरमैन मोहम्मद इरफान उल्लाह और जनरल मैनेजर इरफान ने सभी मेहमानों का इस्तकबाल किया और इस मौके पर पहले 150 स्टूडेंट को फ्री एडमिशन दिया जाएगा। आइए सुनते हैं तमाम तफसीलात।
Good evening everyone. My name is Uma Rani. I am the principal for the Sun City Success this school. Very happy because we are launching our new campus Success the school at Sun City. We are inviting everyone to participate in this opening ceremony of our school. Our Success the school is not a new school. Already we are serving the community since 15 years in the Hyderabad, and now this is the 6th campus we are launching at Sun City. We are very happy to invite our teachers, parents, students and all the community members to participate in this launching ceremony of our Sun City campus. In this campus, as in a new campus of this Sun City Success this school, we are having a very good campus with a play area which is provided beside our campus for the students, making that not only academics, sports is also a part of the teaching for our campus. We welcome one and all to open admissions which are going right now in our campus. We are running our admissions with free admission fees as well as free application fees for these 2 days. So I welcome all the parents and all the community members who are staying in Sun City PNT colony to take a part and move further for our admission process. I thank you one and all for giving the opportunity. Here in the Sun City campus, we are having a good classroom areas provided with CC surveillance, and for the parents who are far away from the Sun City area, we are providing transport facility as well as good qualified teachers supported by the cooperative staff members. And our chairman sir Mohammad Irfan Ullah sir and our beloved director madam Samina madam, they are encouraging all the teaching staff members and the principals to be a part of this family, and we are happy to have a journey with them. We are able to provide all the facilities to the students, showing a good play area and good academics and transport facilities as well as all the academic parts, and we are providing them to be a part of the future pathways for their education career. We welcome all the parents on behalf of our family Success the school to make it a big success in this Sun City PNT colony.
Sir, madam,
For the first 150 admissions, free admission fees, sir. First 150 students.
who comes first, sir?
Yeah, sir.
Which year? It is year 24.
Yes, sir. This is starting year 2024.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Year from nursery to 7th class, sir. Next year we are hiring up to 10th class.
okay.
Location Sun City PNT colony. For any enquiries 0402939 5521.
One more.
0402939 5521.
Okay, thank you.
अब आपको गुर्दे में और पित्ते में पथरी यानी किडनी स्टोन या गैल ब्लैडर स्टोन होने पर नहीं है घबराने की जरूरत। शहर हैदराबाद में सालों से इस इलाज के लिए खानदानी सिलसिले से चला आ रहा है भरोसेमंद नाम RS यूनानी फार्मेसी, जहां पर खास तौर पर पित्ते में मौजूद पथरी और दोबारा पथरी ना होने का किया जाता है मुकम्मल इलाज। आपको इस दर्द से हमेशा के लिए मिल जाएगा छुटकारा। नो साइड इफेक्ट्स, नो ऑपरेशन। तशखीस करते हुए दवाएं की जाती है फराहम। तो देर ना करें, जल्द ही तशरीफ लाए RS यूनानी फार्मेसी, बहादुरपुरा X रोड, अपोजिट केनारा बैंक, हैदराबाद। मजीद तफसीलात के लिए रब्त करें 9390610436 पर।
खबर है शहर की,
खबर है गाँव की,
खबर है सारी दुनिया की।
7H न्यूज
पसंद आए तो लाइक कीजिए,
शेयर कीजिए
और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।
7H न्यूज।